Hi friends, welcome back to another brand new episode of Hangout with Priyanka. Thank you to those wonderful people who have already subscribed to my channel. Again, I have gained few new subscribers, and if you are a new viewer, haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification by click the bell icon. So today I'll be preparing very delicious eggless butter muffin with choco chips. The recipe is very easy, and as because this is eggless, so all my vegetarian friends can try this. Okay, so take some milk, bring it to boil. Once it starts boiling, अब इसमें हम ऐड करेंगे मक्खन. As we are making the butter muffins, so we are gonna add the butter. Let the butter melt completely with the milk. Now this is regular salted butter that I am using today. Fine, it has melted properly. Turn off the flame. आप इसको ट्रांसफ़र कर लेते हैं एक और मिक्सिंग बोल में. And this is very hot, so just wait for 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, I am adding white vinegar 2 teaspoons. Give it a very good mix and keep aside for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see the milk has curdled a bit. अब इसमें हम ऐड करेंगे vanilla essence. Give it a mix. Now it's time to sift the dry ingredients. So मैंने यहाँ पे एक sieve ले लिया है. And now I'm gonna add maida, which is all-purpose flour. I think the bowl is very small, so friends, I have shifted in a bigger bowl. So anyways, so now along with the maida, I am adding the powdered sugar, which is 1 cup of powdered sugar that I am adding. Now sift the ingredients very well. Along with this, I am adding baking powder followed by baking soda. Now sift everything very well. Now with the help of a whisker, you have to mix it very well. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि ये थोड़ा सा स्टिफ ज़्यादा है, so you can add 2 tablespoons of milk as well. Now mix it very well. Now I'm adding milk powder that will add a heavenly taste to our butter muffins. Mix it very well. Now that should be the perfect consistency. अब इसमें हम लोग ऐड करेंगे choco chips. So that choco chips, the quantity you can add from your own, the quantity that you wanted to add. Now do not over mix it. Gently fold the mixture and with the help of a spatula. So our butter muffin batter is absolutely ready. Let's prepare the gas oven. Now in the gas oven, I have placed one kadhai, putting some salt and placing one stand. Now in medium flame, please preheat the kadhai for 10 minutes. Now with the help of cooking oil, I am brushing the cupcake mold or muffin mold. This is aluminium molds which is reusable. अगर आपके पास ऐसा muffin mold नहीं है, तो you can bake the same in normal cupcake mold or the muffin liners. Or if you have normal teacups also, so you can use that also. Now take some portion of the batter and pour it into the cupcake molds or muffin mold. Make sure that you are putting the equal quantity as much as possible from your end. In this batter measurement, you can prepare 9 muffin molds, but as I have only 6 muffin molds today, so I am preparing this. Rest I can use it in a second slot or second batch. Okay, so all the muffin molds has been filled properly, and you have noticed that I have filled 3/4, not overflow that. Fine. Hope our oven or gas oven is absolutely ready. I am placing it. I'll be doing in batches. अभी यहाँ पे हम 4 कर रहे हैं, बाकी हम बाद में करेंगे। अब इसको कवर कर देते हैं। So for baking those muffins we will be exactly needing 20 to 25 minutes time, but वो टाइम तक आपका केक बेक हो जाएगा। बट इफ़ यू वांट ब्राउन टॉप, मतलब जो केक बेक है उसका ऊपर अगर आप थोड़ा सा ब्राउन कलर का आई मीन क्रिस्पी काइंड ऑफ वो चाहिए तो आप 10 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा और बेक कर सकते हैं। बट ओरिजिनल बेकिंग टाइम इज़ मैक्स टू मैक्स 20 मिनट्स। बट मैंने 2 तरीके से इसको बेक किया है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैंने 20 मिनट्स बेक किया था, दैट इज़ द एग्जैक्ट टाइम, एंड उस तक मेरा केक ऑलमोस्ट फाइनली वो मफिन्स रादर बेक हो चुका था। बट उसमें थोड़ा सा ब्राउन क्रिस्पी लुक देने के लिए मैंने 10 मिनट और बेक किया है, सो दैट इट टोटल बेकिंग टाइम वॉज 30 मिनट्स। So 4 muffin cakes I have baked within 20 minutes and rest 2 I baked in 30 minutes. So you'll be getting the 2 kind of flavor or top, whatever you can say. So let's see. Fine, so these are my muffin that has risen so well. आप देख सकते हैं कि 2 तरीके से मैंने बनाया है। It is absolutely okay. Once it cool down, you can check that this is very soft, very moist, you can see. And this is that crispy brown top. This is also baked very well. मैं एक और आपको ओपन करके दिखाती हूँ। It is very easily coming from the muffin mold. This is so spongy, so soft, yet delicious. Just showing it the texture. That's perfect. So soft, moist. Let you people show the next one. This is also very soft. I am showing it for you people. अब इसको देख लेते हैं। वाओ, ये भी बहुत अच्छे तरीके से बेक हुआ है। These are our eggless butter muffins with choco chips is absolutely ready. Do give it a try. I hope you have liked the recipe. If yes, then please hit the like button and please share with your friends and family. I'll be coming up soon with such more wonderful recipes in future. Till then, Priyanka signing off. Bye. So prepare, friends.